Bidding na sa April 24, baka ito na yung pinakamurang bahay sa Imus na makuha mo. Bank Foreclose, Row House, Inner Lot, Barangay Alapan, Imus, Cavite. 40 to 50% below market value. 43 square meter lot, 28 square meter floor area. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. May sariling garage na. Starting bidding price, 1,179,900. Payment terms, reservation fee, 50,000. 10% down payment, pwede hulugan up to 4 months. 90% bank home loan. Sample computation, loanable amount, 1,061,910. If 20 years bank loan, estimated monthly around 8,500 to 9,000 per month lang. Required income, around 25,000 to 30,000 combined income. Important, as is where is, bank fees and transfer not included. Bakit dapat ka mag-act ngayon? Below market price, may garage na, Imus location accessible, perfect for starter home or investment. April 24 na ang bidding. Kapag may kasabay ka, pataasan na ng offer. Free house tour plus assistance. Message us now bago maunahan.